Peter, where do you live?
It's a secret place.
Please tell me.
Would you believe me if I told you?
Why, promise.
For sure.
For sure.
I have a place where dreams are born and time is never planned. It's not on any chart. You must find it with your heart. Never, never land. It might be miles beyond the moon, or right there where you stand. Just keep an open mind, and then suddenly you'll find never, never